And one thing is that you can manage your brand if you click on the homepage itself. And if you click on your stuff, you go to brands. This will enable you to create more brands on the fly. Let's click on create brand, for example, um, Ninja Media, for example, Ninja Media. Click on create, and this will enable you to populate your designs by just creating the logos itself. You can upload the logos here. You can upload the specific colors. You get what I mean. This will enable you to create your own brands and even access your libraries. If I want, I could just easily delete this. Let's click on that, and all of my libraries is still here. One question is that, can I pwede ko bang ilagay yung galing sa lumang Adobe Express? Can I import my old Adobe Express files into the new one? As of the moment, no. There is no way that you can do that using the new version from the old version. You cannot import this. So all of the things that you have done from the old version cannot be incorporated on the new one. Another question would be, can I use the assets that I have created from Adobe Capture inside of this? Yes, you can definitely do so, as you would see here. For example, I have lots and lots of Adobe Capture elements that I have here. For example, this one, as you would see here, it's too obvious. I have created a vector version of myself here. Okay, let's click on home.